Hostinger charges you 30 AI messages a month. Wix charges you nothing to build at all. I bought the 30. And I'm still not going to tell you Hostinger wins. Wix bundles its AI into every plan, including the free one. Their own help center says chatting with Aria does not use credits at all. Nothing metered, nothing to run out of. That is a real advantage, and you will feel it. There is one thing Horizons does that I can't defend, and Wix does the same thing, harder. We'll get there. I built on both. Let's count the thing nobody counts. 3 things, then I'll get out of your way. 1. What 12 months actually cost on both sides, including the number that only shows up after your credits run out. Neither company puts that on its pricing page. There is one line on the Horizons plan card that decides whether your year costs $151 or nearly $500. Most people scroll straight past it. 2. 3 things Wix does better than Horizons, from the guy holding a Hostinger link. 3. Exit cost. If you pick wrong, what does it cost to get out? That's the number that decides this, not the monthly price. Both links below are affiliate links. I get paid either way, but I get paid more if you go Hostinger. Which is exactly why I'm about to spend 2 minutes telling you what's wrong with Horizons. If that's not the deal you want, the back button is right there. Here's Horizon Starter. $13.99 a month, and the card does the year for you, $167.88. Now watch the cart. That is the whole first year, the plan, the hosting, the domain, and the mailboxes in one number. The code, the checklist goes in on top of the sale price. It stacks, that is, it's stacking. The total lands at $151.09 for 12 months. One honest line before we go on, it renews at $13.99. So year 2 is $168 with no coupon on it. Wix Lite is $17 a month, 12 months of that is $204. And Lite cannot take payments. That's their own comparison table, not mine. So if anyone is buying anything from you, your real starting line is Core, $29 a month, $348 a year. 151 against 204. Or against 348 if you're selling. Here's the part I have to say out loud. Those Horizons plans are metered, 70 messages a month. Wix isn't metered at all. A cheaper year that runs out of prompts is not a cheaper year. So let's find out exactly what one prompt buys you. Prices checked on the 16th of August. Both companies rotate promotions constantly, so check before you buy. Links are below. Don't click yet. The most important part of this video hasn't happened. Enough pricing pages. Same job, both builders. Horizons asks what you want and hands you a working site. Genuinely fast. Mine came back with a blog, a contact form, and an email capture wired into a database. It looks like this and it works. That is a real table with real rows in it, not a picture of one. Then you start changing things. And this is the part nobody puts in a comparison. Hostinger's own tooltip on the plan card, every message sent cost 1 credit. Not every build, every message. So watch what 1 credit actually bought me. 1 sentence asking it to fix 1 YouTube link. Updated 1 file, done. That is a whole credit gone. And their own tips panel asks you to keep each message to 1 change at a time. Which is good advice, and it is also the meter running. 70 of those a month on the plan I bought. Wix takes longer to get to a first draft. Then you drag things around and none of that is metered. There is no counter on the Wix side, so there is no number for me to put next to Hostinger's. And if you're thinking, so Wix won, hold that thought for about 90 seconds. 3 things Wix does better. I said I'd say it, so here it is. 1. Design. Wix's own homepage claims 2,000 templates. The library runs to 249 pages of them. Here is the Horizons library at the same speed. It ends, and the last card is Hostinger asking you to describe one instead, which costs credits. 2. Wix does not meter the thing you actually do. Building it, changing it, asking it to try again. None of that spends a credit. That is not me being generous. That is the comparison. 3. The app market. Bookings, memberships, whatever you bolt on later, built by other people. For 230 million Wix users, which is the number that keeps developers building. Horizons wants you to prompt those into existence too. If design freedom and unmetered AI are what you're buying, Wix earns its money. That is not a consolation prize. That is the whole reason people pay it. Okay, here's where this flips. Everything so far has been about price. Price is the easy part. The rest of this is about the expensive part, which is what happens when you want to change your mind. 2 things I promised are still sitting there. The line on the plan card and the thing I said I couldn't defend. Both of them are in this half. This is the line. It is on the plan card in smaller type than the price, and almost nobody does the division. Explorer is 30 credits a month. There are 30 days in a month. That is one message a day. And one message is not one feature. One message is one attempt at one feature. You just watched a credit go on a hyperlink. I have an affiliate link to this product, and I am putting that number on screen anyway. Because you would find it on day 4, and I would rather you found it here. Now how you handle it. Explorer is a trial, and it doesn't even come with a domain. Their own card says so. If you are building anything real, starter is the floor. 70 messages and you can top up when you run dry, which Explorer cannot do. There is also a free tier with 5 credits. 5. I am telling you it exists so you don't find it later and think I hid it. The honest framing is this. You are not buying a website for $151. You are buying 70 attempts a month for 12 months. Wix does not have this ceiling in the same way. If never thinking about a meter is what you want, take it. One more number while we are being honest about risk. Hosting refunds you for 30 days, Wix gives you 14. If you already know which one you want, the links are below. If you don't, the next 2 minutes are the reason you're here. Here's the thing I said I couldn't defend. And first, the part I had wrong before I checked it. Horizons lets you take the code out. That is the code tab, that is the real file tree, and there is an export button sitting under it. It is a React project, and their own documentation says you can export it at any time. I expected a wall, and there isn't one. Credit where it's due. Here is the catch, and this is the thing I can't defend. Once you export it, there is no way to bring it back and keep prompting. So the moment you touch your own code, you lose the builder you paid for. It is a one-way door, and it is the same door you came in through. Now the part that keeps me honest, Wix is worse. There is no site export at all, their own words. Your site must run on Wix's servers. You can pull content out, posts, contacts, products, not the build. So exit cost is not a hosting problem, it is a platform problem on both sides. But it does change what you should be willing to pay for it. If you are locked in either way, the question stops being which one is better. It becomes which one costs less to be wrong about. One more piece of exit maths on the Wix side. Wix processing runs 2.9% plus 30 cents on every card payment. On a store doing $3,000 a month, that is at least $90. On top of the $29 you already pay for core. And their comparison table adds a second one, a 4% cut on pricing plans at core. Neither of those is hidden, both are published. Almost nobody puts them in the comparison. Quick round on selling and then we're done. Horizon sells physical products, digital products, and subscriptions, and that starts on starter at $14 a month. What it does not have is an app ecosystem behind the store. Anything unusual, and you are prompting it into existence and paying credits for the privilege. Wix has the ecosystem, real store analytics, and an app for everything. But your entry ticket is core at $29 plus processing on every sale. So, small catalog, simple operation, keep the monthly bill down. That is Horizon Starter. Growing store where an app saves you an afternoon a week, Wix Core, and it will pay for itself. That is the whole comparison. Now let me tell you who should not buy the one that pays me. Don't buy Horizons if you want one beautiful site and you will be judged on how it looks. Portfolio, wedding, design studio, Wix wins that and it isn't close. Don't buy Horizons on Explorer if you're building something real. One message a day will make you hate this, starter or don't start. Don't buy Horizons if you know you will want to edit the code yourself and then keep prompting, you can't. And don't buy either one if you're building something you expect to rebuild in a year. Go WordPress, own the files, I get nothing for saying that. 3 sentences, pick your lane. If you are building your own projects, and what you care about is keeping the yearly bill small, Horizons, starter, not Explorer. First link below. Enter the code the checklist at checkout and this part matters. That field only appears at checkout. It cannot be added afterwards. There is no support ticket that fixes it later. One shot. If you are building one site, it needs to look like a designer made it, and you never want to think about a meter. Wix. Second link. Start on the free plan. Their own pricing page puts AI creation tools on every plan, so it costs you nothing to find out if you like it. And if you have sat through 11 minutes and you are still not sure, Horizons. 30 days to get your money back against Wix's 14. If you are going to be wrong with the longer refund window. Last thought, and it is the only one that matters here. Neither of these is a bad product. One sells you attempts, the other sells you a canvas. The marketing on both sides works hard to hide which one you are actually buying. A year of prompts or a year of pixels, that is the real choice. You know which one you are, you knew about 6 minutes ago.